Hi, we're back again, and we're going to work with this little oil applique that we just completed earlier. There's a couple of issues that I want to try to address in this to make it a good applique that I would like to stitch out and use. So, as we saw, this is the applique that was just digitized, and we're going to make a couple of little changes to it, specifically to some of this satin area, because I don't necessarily like this point, or this one. So what we're going to have to do, actually we will go into the normal mode here, and we're going to edit this. And because this is such a very sharp point, Embird will not automatically make it a nice point at that area. So let's go ahead and modify one. We generated the stitches, and now we see we have this nice point instead of just this chop off over here. So let's go ahead and edit this again. I'm going to bring this out just a smidge and bring that in just a smidge. Sometimes this process takes a bit to get it done. That one's fine now. Looking better. We just have a couple more we have to deal with here in here. Once again, we'll do an edit. And we're actually going to drag this point in a little bit and see how this does. That one's addressed now, and we're going to go and address this last one if we can. What we're going to do here is select this node. We're going to do a right click and do an insert, which is going to make this a solid node, and this is the one that we can adjust. And we're just going to bring this one out just a smidge, and then bring this in just a smidge and see how it works. That one's done. But then when we made that adjustment, this one came out. So let's edit again. Now, because of this, and it's actually fixed, you'll notice that this little stitch and the underlay, which I'm not so much worried about because it's going to be covered with the fabric, but this stitch right here extends beyond the satin. So we're going to go in and adjust this node. We'll actually move these more to be kind of in the center. And let's generate the stitches. And that we have, it should stitch out as a very, very nice applique now, instead of the ones with those blunt corners. Just wanted to give a quick update and show you how you can change these should you get appliques that do not have nice points. So again, what we would do is we would save this, compile and put into editor again. Since the file is there already and I click save, it's going to say it already exists. Do I want to replace it? I just say yes. And now it's saved. Just wanted to give that quick update, and I'll talk to you later.